What's going on, guys? It's Zain Jafrey with the Jafrey Group of Coldwell Banker Real Estate. In this video, we're going to be talking about that weird little shack of a house that sold for $1.8 million. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So, if you don't already know, there's a property in Toronto that just sold for $1.8 million. Now, it wasn't listed for $1.8 million, it was listed for $1 million. And you're going, you know what, Zain, that's just an average price in Toronto. But the question isn't the price. The question is, how did this property sell for that price? Now, there's two ways of looking at value for a property when it comes down to purchasing a property. And one way is looking at it from the buyer's point of view, right? So let's say you're looking at the value from the point of view of you living in it yourself. See, that house was a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, right? And it looked like a little shack. So you're going, I wouldn't live in that if you paid me, right? But the beauty of real estate is that an investor can look at that property and go, you know what? I don't care how it looks, because that property is on a lot that's 20 by 120, right? So it's a nice deep lot for Toronto, and it's in an area which hasn't seen a lot of development. So what an investor does is they go, you know what? Who cares how it looks? The worse, the better. Because they're not buying it for the use, they're buying it for land value. So they're going to tear down that property, they're going to build a new one on top, and they're going to sell it, right? So let's say, well, we already know what they bought it for. They bought it for $1.8 million, which seemed outrageous to a lot of people, but I'm hoping this can clear it up, right? Because there's different uses and then different values for those uses, right? So they bought it for $1.8 million. Let's say they spend $700,000, and we'll count that $700,000 towards your permits, towards their construction costs, towards their labor. So they're all in it for 2.5. So the 1.8 plus the 700, so you're in it for 2.5. Now, an average property in that area that's kind of renovated and kind of in that same ballpark, right? So we're comparing apples to apples, not apples to oranges, meaning similar styles. So we're going modern, we're going linear, right? It's similar square footage. They're selling around the $3.3 million range right now. So, in that point of view, if you spend 2.5 on a property and you can sell it for 3.3, you tell me, was it really a bad purchase?